everybody, this is Chaz with Sierra Auction, teaming up here with Eegee's for an equipment liquidation sale. We got everything from the flour, the sugar, the mixers, the ovens, the proofers, the belts. Anything you need to make the bread, we got it here. Auction starts November 17th, 5 p.m. Ends December 2nd, 5 p.m. We do have live preview November 29th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. We're located 3360 East Ajo Way, Tucson, Arizona. We got everything here that you need to get bread. Remember, if you're going to buy, it's online. But come down to the live preview on the 29th. Bidding ends December 2nd, 5 p.m. online only. Thank you.